Hi, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Since 1979, we've worked with accounting professionals, CPAs, accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers, giving them the resources, tools, training, certifications that they need to get paid what they're worth. The way this is actually accomplished is we're first and foremost a post-secondary school. Our corporate headquarters are located in the state of Utah, and we have students around the United States, Canada, and the world. And these students originally, when we first started in 1979, were attending classrooms that we had. At one point, we had 22 campuses around the United States. And in these classroom environments, you'd go through a traditional classroom setting with an instructor learning the curriculum. Today, all these classes, all this curriculum is primarily online, and it's provided in an independent study format. This is allowing you to go through when it's most convenient and comfortable for you to learn and retain the information. Now, one of the things that I think is very important to realize is that this is a structured program. Each of our courses follow, as a school does, a structured curriculum so that you can get the most out of the learning and, most importantly, apply these principles in the real world. But I'd like to give you an idea of how the program is best achieved or accomplished. First, most of the programs are designed to be done in a 4 to 6 week period of time. Originally, they were meant to be Monday through Thursday for 2 to 3 hours a day, giving someone the opportunity to take off time on the weekends to enjoy and be leisure with their activities. This way, you would be finished in 3 to 4 weeks and be able to complete your study and training. Most of the people today, however, go through the programs in the morning hours, so I'd like to give you a suggestion of how you can best get the most from the program. I suggest actually doing an hour or two a day, Monday through Friday, or if necessary on weekends, in the morning on Saturday, Saturday evening perhaps, but Sunday morning and perhaps again Sunday evening. You do that, you'll follow the curriculum sufficient enough that you'll have time together so that you're not forgetting any of the material, but more importantly, going through the training in the day gives you time to get it out of the way, but have this on your mind throughout the day so you can think back, reflect, and understand how this is applying to your current situation. As you go through this, you'll see opportunities to apply these principles in the real world, and you'll have opportunities to see their application. Now, with the training, one of the things that's very important is when you enroll, you're assigned coaches. These individuals are meant to be there as experts to help you apply and learn these concepts. Now, these coaches are intended to help you via email, text, but also by phone. And when you speak to these coaches, their first and most important part is to make sure you're understanding the concepts and principles as you're going through the training. But when you're finished, for the next 12, 18, 24 months, they're there to help you actually with the application of these principles in a real-world environment. They, your coaches, are in fact actual practicing accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers with clients of their own doing this work, and so they have great many insights to share with you. Now, I'd like to share with you what you can expect as you go through this process. When you're working with the idea of enrolling, you're actually going to interact with what's called an enrollment director. It's an individual there to help make sure that you're enrolling in the proper classes to achieve the goals that you have. Now, when you enroll, they'll actually send you an email with the document for you to review with all the details and then sign. And upon signing, you're now enrolled. And with that enrollment, you're going to be assigned an orientation counselor who's going to contact you and walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of this experience. They're going to introduce you to the learning management system, the platform that we use to give the instructions, the way to get the most out of the training with the video and the PDFs and the testing. They'll also point out who your coaches are and introduce you to them. I would encourage you to contact your coaches and introduce who you are and what your goals are and what your plans are so that they're familiar with what your expectations are for the training. The next thing I'd like to stress is as you go through the program, just realize that it is designed a specific way to help you achieve specific goals. It's meant to actually be something structured so that you can, in the end, expect to get certified and, most importantly, have the confidence and competence to apply these principles in real-world environments. The credentials that you can receive with the variety of our trainings may be that of a PB certification or a PTP designation or a QS certification, PFP, VB. Each received when you pass the final exam with better than a 90% on that test. Now, all of this is intended to give you the confidence and competence to go out into the real world and apply these accounting principles with your clients or employer. Now, realize this, accounting success is universal. We've been doing this for years to help you get paid what you're worth, and we're excited to have you as a student so that we can assist you in this journey. Just realize this, if it's about business, it's universal, and accounting success is universal. So take care and have a great day.